Transitions laser treatments grew my hair back. I noticed a lot of hair loss after the birth of my second child, and in the years following that, I wasn't getting any of it back. I was losing more. I was feeling so self-conscious about the way my hair looked, and if I ever got it wet, if I went to the pool with my kids, how was it gonna look? And it became something I thought about all the time. I knew that I could have some postpartum hair loss, and I knew that I could lose my hair, but it never seemed to grow back the way it had. And I had talked to my doctor, and they had run some tests, and my health was fine, so I had just reason to believe that it was probably hereditary. I was noticing hair loss when I would put my hair in a ponytail. I'd have to brush out a lot of bald spots. I would fear rain because I didn't want my hair to get flat and everything to show, and I just was so worried about my hair all the time, and I was still so young. I didn't want to live the rest of my life like that. I was thinking I was just gonna have to live with it, live with thin hair, and live with just feeling self-conscious about it all the time. I tried different shampoos and conditioners, different spray and things, and they would work for a while, and then it almost seemed like it would make my hair worse after a while. Doctors didn't really offer me a solution, and I just thought it was maybe a lost cause. My dad, Kevin Freeman, is on WFMS, and he was getting great results from his procedure, and I thought, I probably can't afford that, or maybe it's not for me. Maybe I can't do it. I'm just a regular person. My dad brought me in with transitions, and I met with the staff there, and I found out I was wrong. There was plenty of options that I had that I could do, and it definitely was for women, not just for men, and everyone is a VIP there. I'm having laser hair therapy twice a week, so I'm 30 minutes under the laser, and then about once a week, or whenever I can make the time, I'm having a scalp treatment as well. The treatments are easy. I get right in, I come right out. Scheduling is always so nice. The ladies are so helpful when I have to cancel last minute because something has come up with my kids, or they fit me in that works with my schedule. Well, pictures are the worst when you're struggling with your hair, because you think it looks great from your angle, and then someone puts a candid shot up on social media and you think, that's what my hair looks like? So I just was really self-conscious about it, and then when I saw the great results my dad was having, I thought, I've got to do something. I've got to do something about it. I'm so excited about my results, and I'm so excited to see what my results will be in the future. I'm halfway through, so about 6 months through my treatment, and I have another 6 months to go, and I can't wait.